Do you want to learn how to add a favicon in WordPress? Favicon or site icon is the tiny image that appears next to your website title in the browser. It helps your users identify your website, and more frequent visitors of your site will build an instant recognition for that tiny image. So let's start the video. To do this, you will need the WP Toolkit plugin. You can download the plugin from WordPress.org and also from the link which is given in our video description. If you download from our link, this will give you some added benefits, such as you will get discount code on our Pro plugins and will know details about our products. Once the download is complete, install and activate the plugin. Now find here WP Toolkit option. Hover your mouse here. Click on the Features option. It will take you to this page. Here you will see numerous options. Don't worry, this is a multifunctional plugin. For example, it has various options including maximum upload size increase, favicon upload, SVG image support, upload custom avatar, username change, post/page duplicate, WP admin login URL change, passwordless temporary login, user switching, and spotlight search. Anyway, today we will see how to add a favicon to your WordPress site. Find the favicon uploader option and turn it on. It shows you upload options. Click the upload button. Then it will take you directly to the media library. Here upload the file you want to use as a favicon. When the upload is complete, click on the Select button. Now click on the Save button. Let's check if it is working or not. Go to your website. See it working properly. This way you can easily add favicon to your WordPress site without any hassle. And as I said earlier, this is a multifunctional plugin, so there are separate videos for each feature of our plugin. Link in the description, check it out. You can also check our other plugins. We have several WordPress plugins. The most popular plugins are Top Table of Contents and WP Mobile Bottom Menu. Check out the link in the description. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding this issue, feel free to ask them in the comment box. And if you like the video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.